Oh my God.
So guys, see what they've written here. They say family is everything. Do you believe so? Do you believe that family is everything, guys? Hey. Olga, why? 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 You don't need to remove the things. Okay, stop it, Kayla. Stop. Stop. Nama. Please, I beg you, stop. Okay. Guys, you see what this boy is doing? He's removing the Christmas decoration from it. This boy here. Meanwhile, you are the reason why we do this. Can you stop it? Stop. I'm not joking with you. Stop it. You see what you've done? Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So this afternoon we are on our way going to the hospital. My appointment, that's my pregnancy appointment, and we are running a little bit late. There's no, like, it's this morning, this state, the snow fall for the first time since we entered winter. Today was the first time the snow fall, so it was kind of delaying certain things. So we are almost here. It's now 1-2 and the appointment was 1, but we don't know what will happen at the parking lot there, whether we will get it on time or so. I just called them because it's necessary. So we are on our way going, and we are just here. It's just at the going. We are entering. So I'm pregnant and we are going for a checkup. Yeah, we are going for a checkup. Last week there was some miscommunication between the nurse and me concerning my appointment, so I missed that appointment and they rescheduled me for today, and we are going. Oh God, babe, is my lips too much? Oh, it's okay.
I can't see clearly.
I think I'll try and wipe it. Guys, how do you see my lips? It seems like I have to clean. I think this is okay. Yeah, it was too much. I don't normally apply lipstick and lip gloss, but people say it's good. But me, when I do it, it becomes too much for me. So it's either I use the lip gloss or use the lipstick alone. And today I decided to combine the two, and I'm messing up. I'm hungry. I've eaten, but I'm hungry these days. The hunger. Oh, so the one. The snow came around 3 a.m. or 2 a.m. thereabouts. So based on that, they cancel morning activities till 10 a.m. and we are here just doing roundabouts, no parking lots for us.
I should have dropped you.
But how will you also know? Okay, not yet. One is here, yeah. So if you see this green light, that means there is a space you can park. But if they are all red, that means there is no space. That's just great. So we saw one green here. See the green, that means go, 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 and go. here, if you have an appointment and it's 15 minutes past, you will not get it. You have to reschedule. So I called them when it was 1, and now it's 8 to 9, getting to 8:10. We have to rush. I don't know, I was just eating and I was just feeling like throwing up, so I just paused. And I was also feeling weak at the same time, so that made me to delay. All of a sudden I just feel weak. All of a sudden I feel like throwing up, and it will not come. Oh, they even have that cow. Ooh, the weather is cold. I should have worn a big jacket. But do you want to watch this? They asked me to come and get earring. My head is aching, right? I'm just having a headache right now. I've been having headache recently. A little bit of thing. I was just so. I don't know. Oh, right here. I forgot. Okay. Thank you.
Oh.
So, guys, I've come here again. I've come to the restroom again. They've asked me to come and get my last urine by using this first to clean my. I forgot to lock it. Oh my god. Shit, I forgot to lock it. I forgot to lock the door. So they asked me to use this one to clean down there very well before I can get the urine. So that's what I'm here. So let's do that. I wanted to upload the video today, but I couldn't because the time is running. It's almost 3. It's 2 something now. Getting to 3 p.m. And I can't upload the video now because I'm not yet done. Guys, we are done. I just got flu shots. I fear needle. I prefer to take medicine than needle. Because I don't know why. So we are there for low. So it snows. So second floor now. Thank you. Sorry, that was like
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake.
Did you say? I'm not seeing any lab. So guys, they said we should go to the lab to get some blood drops. This one is yes. Yeah, I think I came here before.
Let's check down there.
So
He said we shouldn't.
oh, we can ask one of the staff. I'll say after H, Niambra Street, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I know whether we will cross.
Did you say?
She talked about this one. But let's just check.
Guys, one person. Look at this. One person, I have this one here. The same person I have. me show you guys. The same person I have this. Eh? Just imagine, one person here, got on. Here, pardon. I'm tired. I'm tired. Guys, we came to the lab. They said we should come to the lab and they will do blood drop. I thought it's only blood drop, not knowing that I have to come to the restroom again to have urine too. It should be dirty. Just imagine. Jesus. Tired. Amen. My card, you know, do you think? I don't know whether I took it. I didn't take it. Can it fall in a WC and somebody like you flash and it will go? Jesus.
Is it your driver license?
That card now I'm doing my card. So guys, how we got Caleb's diaper. This one is how many? It's a full box. It's a full box of diaper. I will be leaving the prices behind. And this one's big, so it's 2 in 1. It's very big. And Hobby got this paper. What is it called? Bath tissue. Yeah. So these are the things.
Nah.
And also.
Nah.
Yes, baby.
Nah.
Hey guys, Hobby also got parchment paper. This one. And hooks. And this one too. Fuel. It's a fuel. Yeah. A Ziploc bag. Yeah. So these are the toiletries we don't have. Yesterday, Hobby got some